Micron stock investors were treated to excellent results as the company reported their latest quarterly financial figures. I'm going to go through those figures and discuss what the management team said about the company's latest quarter, why it was able to outperform, how it was able to outperform, and provide greater details about what's going on with Micron stock right now following its quarterly financial results in late June. So Micron reported record revenue in the fiscal third quarter, with revenue, gross margin, and earnings per share all exceeding the high end of their guidance. Data center revenue more than doubled year over year, and consumer-oriented markets had strong sequential growth. So what surprised me about this statement from Micron was the consumer-oriented market, right? Because I've been reporting on the data center AI market for a couple of years now, and almost every single quarter, I report to you that all the data I'm seeing about the data center market for artificial intelligence suggests a booming market. And this is information coming from all parts of that supply chain, whether it's the hyperscalers that are making the purchases and building these new data centers, or the companies that are providing components to those data centers, and of course, the big giant in the data center, NVIDIA. And so that growth in the data center market is no surprise to anyone. Almost everyone following the stock market in the previous 2 years knows that demand for artificial intelligence is booming, right? But what was a surprise was the consumer-oriented markets with strong sequential growth. These are categories like computers, smartphones, tablets, and those types of things that have been sluggish and slow to recover. Remember, there was a lot of purchases of these types of electronics during the pandemic, and since these are long-lasting goods, people are not replacing them, especially as their budgets are being pinched by the higher cost of goods on everything else they have to buy, right? The cost of food is soaring, the cost of rent is soaring, the cost of transportation is soaring, education, medical care, restaurants, everything, the cost of everything has increased by so much that people have less disposable income, and so they're holding on to their computers longer. Did you know that over 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed? It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers. So if you prefer that benefit, please subscribe to the channel.